What's up guys, it's TFTest channel. Today, Vivo iQoo phone hands-on first look. Vivo new sub-brand iQoo launched the first smartphone is a gaming master because this phone is the Snapdragon 855 chipset processor and it's up to 12 GB RAM available. Okay guys, first look the phone side by side. This phone display is a massive 6.4 inches Full HD plus resolution. It's a Samsung new AMOLED display inputted this phone. Phone display top side is a water top notch here. It's a new trending. Yeah, it's not bad. I like the water top notch. And water top notch top side is a ear speaker here. Phone bottom side is a less chin here now. It's look like it's very slim, but it's a real as well as same as Galaxy S10 and S10 Plus type chin here. It's not bad. It's good. And let's look phone back side. It's a triple camera setup is here now. Main camera it's a 12 MB. And secondary camera is a wide angle 30 megapixel and last camera is a 2 megapixel depth sensor. Yep, it's a good one. Phone looking really nice and front facing camera is support the Face ID and maximum this is cheaper than Xiaomi Mi 9 and it's almost killer for the Xiaomi. Yes, it's the best cheaper Snapdragon 855 chipset processor. Cool. The guys phone right side volume rocker keys and the power button key is here now. The phone side frame is the metal but it's a flatted surface, little bit hard to handling. But it's a gaming perform, it's a landscape type to play games, it perfectly fit to hand. Phone back side is a reflecting style. I like this reflecting phone. Left side is a Google Assistant key here now. Bottom type C port and speaker it is here. What do you think guys? Totally two type of the variant color launched on the Vivo iQoo. One is the shiny orange, other one is the shiny blue. Which color are you liking guys? Your opinion comment in the comment section below. I like the shiny blue color. Okay, coming soon I am unboxing this Vivo iQoo. Do you like this video? Don't forget to like this video and subscribe my channel. Stay tuned. Thanks for the watching.